Hey, what's up? I am just going to record a short video today of me unboxing a new item that I bought for making the truck camper. Part of my decision in making the truck camper was to save money. One of the ways that I save money is instead of paying for somebody else to do something that I can do myself. Usually it's cheaper to buy a tool or two or three or however many you need and do it yourself instead of paying somebody else, as I just said. So what I got today is this item here. These two items, in fact. These are just some ratchet straps. I also bought this. It's a Mastercraft router and router table. So again, this is not super high-end item, but the frequency that I'm going to be using this for this particular project and any other projects that I do in the future, this will more than suffice. So this is the ratchet strap Mastercraft product, or MotoMaster, I'm sorry, MotoMaster. This is Mastercraft. I got these on sale for 50% off from the Canadian Tire, as well as this. So really good deal. One of the nice things I like about this is that it's orange, so you can easily see that the strap is on whatever it is you're tying down. It's easy to tell the load rating because you can see it's right there, 1,000 pounds or 454 kilos. For those that prefer the metric system, yeah. So that's these things. So next, I'm going to unbox the router and the table. So looks like everything's in good shape so far. The instruction manual. So I'm going to review this and get the tools that I need and then put it together. Okay, so I have one more thing to do, with getting the router onto the table, and it's just this for miter cuts. So that simply goes on here like this. So this just turns like any miter slide type thing. This is the guard for the bit. So yeah, pretty happy with this. I think it's gonna definitely suit my needs. It's not big, it's not fancy. This is one of the dials that are unscrewed, or loosened I should say. This can be loosened so that this whole cable can be brought forward and back. As you can see, that there's markings here as well, so you can even it up on both sides. Makes it easier instead of having to use a ruler. Yeah, pretty happy with this purchase. I'm hoping that it'll do me well. I'm gonna make shiplap cuts for the siding on the truck camper. That was the reason for this purchase. At another point in time, I will go through the process of showing you how to install the bits and actually using the machine.